In this video, I'll show you how to clean up your TradingView chart without deleting your drawings. This quick tip will help you keep your workspace organized and your analysis easy to read. Let's get started. On the left side of your TradingView screen, you'll see an eye icon. Click that icon once and all your drawings will be instantly hidden. If you want to bring them back, simply click the same icon again and your drawings will reappear. Now, if you only want to hide a specific drawing instead of everything, here's how to do it. Click directly on the drawing you want to hide, then click the three dots icon that appears. From the menu, select Hide, and that particular drawing will disappear from your chart. To unhide it later, go to the right side panel and click the Object Tree icon. This panel shows every element on your chart. Find the hidden drawing in the list and click the eye icon next to it. It will instantly appear again. You'll notice that hidden drawings appear slightly faded in the list, while visible ones look bold. This helps you easily tell which ones are active and which are hidden. And that's it, a simple way to declutter your chart without losing your drawings or analysis. Try it out and keep your TradingView setup clean and organized. If you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe, and share it with your trading buddies. See you in the next one.